Today's our last full day in Hollywood. Last night we had a ton of fun. We were in the audience for The Voice live, which was pretty neat. It was a lot of fun. I would highly recommend going to see a live show if you're ever in the area. We couldn't record, obviously, because they don't even let you take your cell phones. Or it's just, yeah, super high security, like nothing. We can't take any pictures or anything like that, so we weren't able to document it, but just know that it happened, and it was so much fun. So for today, we are going to, well, Garrett's going to work, and I'm going to wash the outside of the RV. We asked the owner of the RV park if that was okay, and they said it was fine as long as we didn't waste too much water, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to run some errands, and then this afternoon we are going to go check out Malibu.
Okay guys, so today was an interesting day. We had probably the worst thing that could happen to an RVer happen that does not cost anything to fix or anything like that. It wasn't mechanical, nothing like that. It's just disgusting and gross. We were flushing the black tank, and then Lindsay ran to town to run some errands, and I was inside working, and we totally forgot that we were flushing the black tank. And so I was sitting over here working, and I just had my headphones on listening to music, so very not paying attention to what's going on around me at all. I start to hear some like a trickle of water. It was pretty loud for me to be able to hear it through my headphones. And I look over to the sink, and it was just overflowing with nasty brown sewage black water, and it was so disgusting. It was overflowing out of the sink and like covering all of the counter space, and then it was actually dripping into the oven through this vent. Down behind the oven, and then like back behind all of this cabinetry, and like underneath this drawer and everything, and these drawers, and there was like a ½ inch of water pooled in the bottom of all these. It was just so gross. And so I was like, what the heck? It took me a second to figure out what was happening, and then I was like, oh no, the flush. So I ran outside, turned off the flush, opened up the black tank valve, and it came out, and it was so gross. So then I was left to clean up this mess. I should have recorded it. I wish I would have. It was so gross in the moment. It would have been great to get on video. But I don't know, I just wasn't thinking about that. And so I soaked up as much as I could with the towel. I opened up all of the windows, turned the fans on from the air conditioner and our fantastic fan. I just tried to air everything out, and then when Lindsay came home, she sprayed everything down with bleach. Just like hardcore. It was so gross. We did learn, however, that our kitchen sink drains into the black tank. And it explains why our black tank fills up so fast. It's like, that's weird. I kind of wish we could divert it, but I mean, I guess we could if we really wanted to, but so I guess that's nice to know now, but that was disgusting. After that was all said and done, we were going to go to the beach in Malibu, and a dog beach in Malibu, and we were going to try and have a picnic and grill out and stuff, but it was way too windy to use our grill, and so that was kind of a bust as well. Today was an interesting day, and sometimes that's just what happens to new RV. Still love the RV life, and I guess now we just got some great stories to tell. But we've really enjoyed our time in LA. It's been a little bit pricey, but we've been having a blast. Really great to kind of do some touristy things for once. Thanks for living life with us today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. We also, about a week ago, found mouse poop, and we've had some bad experiences with mice before. Total infestation we've had, but we just found a little bit of poop, and then we never saw any more evidence of a mouse or mice. We set out traps. Nothing ever happened. A week's gone by. And then I physically saw it last night, freaked out, and today we ended up catching it. So that's a good note for today. But let's hope it was just one. I mean, we all know what happens when we say, maybe that was the only one. We did that last time. But I think this time maybe it really wasn't. So we'll see.